Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to take another attempt. Well, I know what's going to happen, but we're going to build another sawdust stove. So let's do this real quick. Now, the reason I need another sawdust stove, or rather 3 more sawdust stoves, is because I'm making a garbage can turkey, a trash can turkey, for Thanksgiving. And it's a nice way to get the coals started. If you've never used a charcoal chimney like this, definitely buy one. So I've made my own charcoal chimneys, used previous sawdust stoves to get the charcoal lit, so I want to make a sawdust stove that's bigger. So enough talk, let's just get right into the build. It's pretty simple. One hole and you're pretty much done. Alright, and just like that, we're pretty much done with the sawdust stove. It really doesn't take too long at all. Just be careful when you're cutting the hole out, by whatever means you cut the hole out. Using a Dremel was pretty fast, but it really ate through those cutting discs, those cutoff discs. I've used a drill before, but with a hole this big, it's a little sketchy. So use your best judgment, work safe. Now let's go burn these things. I invite you to stay tuned to see how I make this garbage can turkey and how I'm going to use these little charcoal chimney starters in combination with the sawdust stove. So let's go to it. See those sawdust stoves still going pretty strong. Definitely a good deal with these big sawdust stoves. Works real nice. I thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If this gave you any ideas on how you could burn sawdust yourself or any different ways you can improve upon it, please leave me a comment below. And if you like the trash can turkey, definitely leave me a thumbs up and a like as well, especially if you're going to try it yourself for your next holiday. You know what? I'll see you on the next one. So let's do this real quick. Now, the reason I need another sawdust stove, well, 3 more sawdust stoves, is because I'm making a garbage can turkey for Thanksgiving. And, well, yeah, it's confusing. No.